Good morning. Oh, the girls are all happy over some fancy wancy chew stick they got. One of my former adopters, Artina, that's adopted Star and Blossom, sent these to me, and the girls apparently love them. Some kind of all-natural turkey tenderloin something, and it's been real quiet. This is the best thing that ever happened. Lizette's all dreamy-eyed. I always have a fear of chew things to give them while I'm not home, because I always worry they're gonna choke on them or something. They never have, but it's always a fear, because look at Lizette. She's like, she'll chew through anything. And then I worry about them trying to swallow it and choking, so I stay right here with them when they get them. Colette's all dreamy-eyed. I don't know. Dogs are smarter than we give credit for. Look at Colette. She's just chewing on the end of hers. Lizette goes full blast. Is that good? I think Lizette already finished hers. I wouldn't get over here. I wouldn't get over here. I wouldn't get over here if I were you. By your mom. She's gonna go get a drink. She's gonna go get her cow hoof. Sending love and hugs, y'all. Say bye. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Say bye.